Hi there. Today we are going to talk about PI Sales Purchase Register and how it can help your business. The PI Sales Purchase Register is a comprehensive Odoo module designed to provide a detailed, tabulated view of the sales and purchase transactions for accounting and compliance purposes. Now we are going to show you how you can download PI Sales Purchase Register on the Odoo dashboard. First step is to go to the App Store in Odoo, and after which you can go into the search bar and search for PI Sales Purchase Register. After that, you can go into the module info section wherein you can find the activate button. Once you click the activate button, it will get downloaded in your database. Once the app is installed on your database, you have to go to the accounting module in which you'll find the reporting section. Over there, you can find the sales and purchase registers. Once you click on sales register, you can find pop-up will appear, wherein you can select which quarter or month or period you want to check out the transactions for. After which, you can go to the dashboard. You will be taken to the dashboard, wherein you can see all the transactions. Now, if you want to check out only the invoice totals on your dashboard, you can just click on the invoice totals only filter in the search bar. Or if you want to check out the line-wise filters for each of the products that were for which there was a transaction, you'll have to click on the line-wise only filter. Similarly, to check out the purchase register, you'll have to go to the reporting section of the account module, wherein you can select the pop-up to select time period during which you want to check out the purchasing transactions, and you will be taken to the dashboard wherein you can filter out the bill totals as well as the invoice line totals of your purchase register. This was the PI Sales Purchase Register app. If you have any more doubts and queries, please drop them down in the comment section, or you can request for a free demo. And thank you for watching.